Let's go. Guys, are we going? Good morning. Where we go, Abid?
We go to Olsok.
No, seaside. We go easy run today.
Going zero.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Where go, Abid? In the seaside with my boy Barbie. Hey, boy Abid, sorry. Let's go. Huh? Go guys. Oh, come. It's okay. Hey! Let's go. Let's go. 1K. 2K.
Okay.
Let's go. 2K. 2K Abid.
Hey.
Let's go. Go guys. Are you waiting? Huh? What?
Okay.
Okay. Break time muna guys kasi sobrang init din. Lapit na kami matapos. Kaya let's go. Go with him.
Ah!
Let's go.
Ah!
Go guys. We're done?
Yes.
3K guys. Let's go. 3K ni Abid. We're done? 3K?
Yes.
It's good?
Yes.
Kaya guys, gusto dyan niya mag-inom ng cold choco. Kaya kami sa Starbucks. Kaya guys, let's go! Guys, pauwi na kami. Abid, are you okay? All goods? All goods daw guys. Kaya guys, so ulitin. Samahan nyo kami. Ulit. Let's go! Tara, keep walking with daddy.